Chapter 3
MS Word and its graphics. MS Word is a very popular word processing program. But you don't have to think of Word as simply a word processing application. It has a variety of tools and options for designing eye-appealing documents. Anything you think you might want to add to a Word document, you can use the Insert tab to insert the extra features into your document. Pictures and clip art can be inserted or copied into a document from many different sources, including downloaded from a clip art website provider, copied from a web page, or inserted from a file where you save pictures. You can also change how a picture or clip art is positioned with the text within a document. Clip art. Clip art is a collection of pictures, illustrations, graphics, and images that can be inserted directly into a document. To insert clip art in document, Step 1. Click on the location where you want to insert the clip art. Step 2. Click on Clip Art option in Illustrations group under Insert tab. Step 3. A clip art task pane will appear on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Type the keyword to search the clip art, for example, children, and then click on Go button. Step 5. List of images related to the keyword will appear. Step 6. Double-click on the desired clip art. Once the clip art is inserted, you can apply various preferences. Double-click on the clip art. The Format tab will appear on the ribbon highlighting different options. You can choose the picture style, picture effect, picture border, etc. from picture group by double-clicking on the desired option. Shapes. A shape is an element of art. MS Word has the capability to insert a large number of lines, boxes, callouts, balloons, and other shapes into your document. To draw a shape in your document, Step 1. Place your cursor where you want to insert shape. Step 2. Click on Shapes option on Illustrations group under Insert tab. Step 3. Click and drag cursor in your document and the shape will be drawn. Step 4. You can apply the different styles to your shape. Double-click on it. The Format tab will appear on the ribbon highlighting different options. You can even fill variety of colors, apply shadow effects and 3D effects to your shape. Smart Art. A smart art is a visual representation of your information that you can quickly and easily create, choosing from among many different layouts that make your document shine. To insert smart art in your document, Step 1. Click on the location where you want to insert the smart art. Step 2. Click on Smart Art option on Illustrations group under Insert tab. Step 3. Various smart art choice will appear. Click on the down arrow to see more of each type. Click on the one you want to insert it. Step 4. Double-click on the field to enter the text in the smart art. You can also change the design and color of the smart art under the Design tab. Step 5. You can fill color, apply 3D effect and put shadow in your smart art under the Format tab. Word Art. Word Art is an amazing option which is used to turn any text into a fancy sign that you can save and use wherever you need to. It allows you to enter the decorative text in your document to enhance the appearance of your document. To insert the word art, Step 1. Place the cursor where you want to insert word art. Step 2. Click on the word art option in the text group on the Insert tab. The word art styles box appears. Step 3. Select a style and click on it. The word will create a text box. Your text here for entering text is the chosen style. Step 4. Type the desired text and click on OK when done. Watermark. To apply the watermark, Step 1. Click the Page Layout tab in the ribbon. Step 2. Click on the Watermark button in the Page Background tab. a watermark drop-down list will appear. Step 3. Click the watermark you want to put in your document. You can also create your own watermark by clicking on Custom Watermark option. Tip: to remove a watermark, follow the steps above, but click on Remove Watermark. Header and footer. Header and footer is used to place common information on every page of the document. You can have book name, chapter name, date, page number in this section. To apply header or footer, Step 1. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click Header or Footer. Step 2. Choose a style. The Header Footer Tools tab will display on the ribbon. Step 3. Type the information that you would like to have in the header or footer. Step 4. Click anywhere on the document or press Escape key. Spelling and grammar. The spelling and grammar feature of MS Word identifies the mistakes and gives you the nearest available suggestions to rectify them. You can rectify such errors by right-clicking the word and then choosing the correct spelling from the resulting contextual menu. Types of errors marked by MS Word. MS Word underlines the different types of errors in different colors. The red wavy or zigzag line shows spelling errors. The green wavy zigzag line shows grammatical mistakes. The blue wavy line shows words are correct in spelling but not meaningful in the sentence. It is called contextual error. Step 1. Click the Review tab on the ribbon. Click on Spelling or Grammar under the Proofing group. Step 2. Errors will display in a dialog box that allows you to choose a more appropriate spelling or phrasing. Step 3. Click on the suggestion to change the highlighted word or phrase. Otherwise, click on Ignore Once or Ignore All. Tip: shortcut to check spellings F7. Dear children, sometimes Word also gives red wavy line under nouns when typed as they are not present in the dictionary. So, click Ignore All for such cases, or you can add that word to the dictionary by clicking Add to Dictionary option in Shortcut menu. Tip: the spelling mistake will be indicated with the red zigzag line under the word and green for the grammar mistake. Thesaurus. A thesaurus is a dictionary for synonyms, words and phrases that mean the same thing as a particular word or phrase. Step 1. Click the Thesaurus button in Proofing group under Review tab. The Thesaurus task pane will appear on the right side of the screen. Step 2. Type the word and click on the green arrow and you will get the various synonyms to your entered word. Tip: shortcut to Thesaurus is Shift plus F7.